Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue voice search that is not searching Hotstar content. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select settings icon. Go to device preferences. Under device preferences, select Google Assistant. Under Google Assistant, select searchable apps. Here you can see list of apps. Let me select Hotstar. You can see here Hotstar has been disabled. This is a reason it's not searching Hotstar content. So we have to enable Hotstar here. Let me enable. Done. So now if you search using voice, it would search in Hotstar. It would display result from the Hotstar. So this way we can fix that issue. Just enable Hotstar under searchable apps list. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.